We're going to take a minute to talk about DXF exports. What does it mean to have an exploded geometry or a polyline? And there's an advantage to each. And it also is going to depend on what type of CNC machinery are you using. Right? So to jump into LT3, we have a pretty common template. I've got red edge styles, that means my wall. I've got blue finished edge. When we go into the CNC saw page, we have some options. Do I want this to be exploded or a polyline? I want to show you another area where you have some settings. I'm going to go into our settings panel, go to CAD export. I'm going to turn off my face, and we see we also have polyline or exploded in your nesting and CNC output. Now, the DXF format was not created by Laser Products Industries. In fact, it's about 40 years old and is from Autodesk, right? When they made AutoCAD available, this is a file format that was designed to be flexible and you could hand off to other types of software and machinery. So here we are in AutoCAD. And first, we're going to look at the exploded. The colors are actually very similar. They're really thin on this screen. I apologize for that. But we see each individual line has maintained its layer, right? Is it a wall? And if I click here, we actually see the layer change, right? Does this information carry through, right? We have a finished edge, seam, all this information carries through. However, the lines are not perfectly joined. Let's flip to the other version, which is the polyline. You notice everything's now in one layer or color or edge style, right? Everything's just in the 0 layer. We do have our edge labels. It gives us a clue. I got the little W and FP and X's, but everything's one closed shape. This is a polyline. Let me flip back to exploded. Maintains the layers. Polyline prioritizes having a perfectly closed, joined geometry. Reach out to your CNC saw manufacturer, find out what is best for you, flip the switch, and happy fabricating.